If you ever stared at your content calendar and thought, I need 10 more product images, but I do not have time for another shoot, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down AI image creation features built for creators. We're talking about image generation and product display, and I'll show you a practical case study how to turn one product into a full content pack without booking models, location, or a studio. Pretty cool, right? Let's get started. Hey, it's BMF Media, and I make content that actually sells. This is especially useful if you are a beauty or accessories creator, a fitness or lifestyle creator, or even a product review creator, or anyone doing e-commerce content who needs images and video constantly. And you don't need to be an AI person. If you can take a basic product photo and pick what you want to feature, you are good to go. The big promise here is high efficiency content production, okay? Now, you're aiming for commercial grade visual quality in a workflow that's creator and merchant friendly with low cost but high efficiency output. In other words, more content faster that still looks like it belongs on a product page or in an ad. Feature number one is image generation. Think of it as your content engine for anything you don't have time to shoot. It usually comes in two modes. Text to image, you describe what you want and it generates images from scratch. And image to image, you start with a real photo and you guide the tool to change the vibe, the style, or even the background while keeping the subject recognizable. Now, text to image is perfect when you don't have photos yet. You want a mood board look, or you want a quick concept image for testing. Now, before you type anything, decide the purpose. Are you making a TikTok, maybe Reels, Shorts cover, an Instagram feed post, or maybe you are making a product page hero image, or an ad concept to test? That's cool. Then write your prompt with 4 parts, right? So you have subject, the setting, the lighting, and style. Now here's a simple template you can copy. Product in scene, lighting, style, high detail, clean composure. Got it? Perfect. Now here's an example for beauty. Skincare serum bottle in a clean studio, soft diffuse lighting, premium aesthetic, high detail, minimal background. Generate a few options. Pick the closest one, then refine 2 or 3 words at a time. That's the fastest way to get to your brand look. Easy, right? I know. Now let's get into image to image. This is where this becomes a serious creator shortcut. Now, if you already have one decent photo you shot on your phone, right? Image to image helps you turn that okay photo into a more premium look, a new background maybe, or a total different creative direction. Let me show you. This is also perfect for advancing creative testing because you can create multiple variations quickly without doing multiple shots. A simple creative workflow is start with one strong base image, generate maybe 6 to 10 variations, choose the top 2 or 3, and then test those across platforms. Cool, right? I know. Feature number 2 is product display. This is the one that feels like cheating. Honestly, you can instantly place products on different models and multiple scenes, dramatically reducing content production costs. And this is what we're looking for, right? Now, it's built for product categories like apparel and fashion, accessories such as jewelry and eyewear, even beauty products and accessories, fitness and lifestyle related products, and other physical e-commerce products you can think of. And the output is designed to be ready for direct use in e-commerce and advertising. No copyright issues, nothing. That's why I like KEEVX. Now, the workflow is very simple. You can start with a clean product image. Clear, well-lit, easy to recognize, right? Choose a direction, model look, lifestyle scene, studio vibe maybe, or multiple style for a campaign. Then generate variations where your product appears naturally in that setting. In minutes, you can get a premium brand shot look, a casual UGC style scene, even a clean product page version, and extra options for thumbnail testing too. Here's the case study you're waiting for. Now, imagine you are launching a new accessory like sunglasses, right? Now, you are the creator, editor, and the marketer. Budget is tight. Time is also tight. You want to launch fast. But you still need content for short form video, Instagram feed, your e-commerce product page, and a handful of ad variations, right? Step 1, shoot one basic product photo. Nothing fancy, just must be clear. Step 2, use product display to create multiple scenes and model context. For example, a street style look for TikTok Reels, right? For shorts. A clean studio look for the product page, and a lifestyle scene for Instagram feed, and another 2 extra vibe variation for ad testing, right? Now you turn one photo into a mini campaign. That's the whole one product showcase across multiple scenes or style ideas. Pretty awesome, huh? I know. Step 3, use image generation to fill the gap. Need a branded background for a carousel? Use text image to generate a clean backdrop that matches your aesthetic. Do you need seasonal vibes? Summer vacation, night out? Use image to shift the mood while keeping the product consistent. Step 4, publish by platform and test. Now, for short form, use the most scroll-stopping scene as your cover. For Instagram feed, pick the most premium or editorial look. For product pages, use the cleanest, clearest version. And for ads, run quick A/B tests to see which vibe actually converts and drives sales. You're welcome. Now, that's how AI reduces Photoshoot's costs while still giving you a full set of usable assets. You're welcome. If you are a creator making videos about this workflow, here are easy angles that perform well. Do a creating content without shoot photos challenge. Show your original product photo for 2 seconds, then cut to the AI results. Or do a generating a full day's worth of content with AI challenge, right? Batch generate scenes and styles, then lay them out as covers, feed posts, or product page images. And keep it visual, right? Call out that the same product is now featured across multiple scenes and styles. Now that's the story. Now here's quick tips so your results stay commercial. Number 1, be specific with style words. Clean, minimal, premium gives different results than bold, vibrant, energetic. Number 2, keep one thing consistent while you test. Now, if you are testing backgrounds, keep the product angle consistent. Number 3, think in batches. Make 10 good variations. Pick the best 2, then iterate. Number 4, double-check details before you publish. AI can be amazing, but you want logos and product shapes to be correct, right? So, if you want to create content without shooting photos, or you want to challenge yourself to generate a full day's worth of content with AI, these image creation features are a serious upgrade. You can try this. Pick one product, generate 3 scenes and 2 styles, publish 1 to short form, 1 to Instagram feed, right? And 1 to your product page. Then take the remaining variation and use them for ad creative testing. Also, if you want, I'll do a follow-up with my exact prompt formulas for beauty, fashion, and fitness niches, if you like, of course. Please like, subscribe, and comment what product you are working on and what scene you want your next images to look like. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next AI tool recommendation. Peace out.